Well, to have a better visualization of this question, we'll draw the Venn diagram. It says the students of MSAT college can opt statistics, maths or compositely the both for their graduate courses. It means there are students who have opted for only statistics, only mathematics, and there are students who have opted for both the subjects. Okay, so it suggests or it concludes that the Venn diagram must be a intersecting one. And there are total 175 students where the ratio of boys and girls is 3:4. So we'll draw the different Venn diagram for boys and girls. Two separate Venn diagrams, and these two diagrams will be the intersected one because there are students who have opted for both the subjects. Further, it says that there are total 175 students and the ratio of boys and girls is 3:4. So 7 gets equivalent to 175 and 3, which is representing the boys, gets equivalent to 75. So number of boys becomes 75 and girls become 100. Further, it says 40% of boys have opted for only stats. Only stats. Let's say this circle is for stats, this for maths. This is for stats, this is for maths. So only stats mean this area, and 44% is this. So 44%, and it is 40% of boys have opted for only stats. So 40% means 2 by 5 of 75, which is equal to 30. Then it says 44% of the students have opted for only maths, means this portion and this portion is equal to 44%, right? 44% of 75, which is equal to 77, right? Further, it says out of the total number of girls, 32% have opted for the composite subject. There are total 100 girls, 32% means 32 girls have opted for both the subjects. Then the number of boys who have opted for only maths and that for composite subjects are in the ratio of 2:1. See, this portion is 75 minus 30. 75 minus 30, which is equal to 45. Okay, and it is in the ratio of 2:1. So this area, the boys who have opted for only maths become 2 upon total 2 plus 1 3 into 45, right, which is equal to 30, and this composite area becomes 15. Okay, since we know that this total area is 45 and the ratio of number of boys who have opted for only maths and composite is 2:1, so we have calculated the desired values. Further, we know that this area, this only mathematics, boys with only mathematics and girls with only mathematics adds up to 77, and we know that the boys who have opted for only mathematics are 30, so the girls with only mathematics become 77 minus 30, which is equal to 47. So the remaining 100 minus 32 minus 47 becomes 21. Are the girls who have opted for only statistics. So this is how our information looks like. Now the first question based on this directions. What is the ratio between the number of boys who have opted for only statistic? So boys only statistic means 30 is to the number of girls who have opted for composite subjects respectively, and the girls are 32, or it is 15:16. So 15:16, that is option number 1 is the desired answer.